Which way is Tony? Which side? Right here, man. Come on, honey. Thirsty?
Too bad.
Need to make reservations somewhere, and I don't have a computer.
Wally bear.
Why don't you just call?
They don't do it over the phone.
Oh, weird. I'm not at home right now.
Where do you live?
Huh?
Where do you live?
Van.
Your sister. Hey, Timmy.
You guys want to go to Sky High?
Is it like a saving?
No, it's like an indoor trampoline, wall, ceilings, and
Wally.
Oh, I don't know.
Wally bear.
remember that show where they did that?
Yeah, why are you going?
Wally, what are you doing sitting there? Huh? He acts like he owns this car. Oh, Timmy.
Yeah, they took care of over the whole mountain here.
Wally.
Huge.
Wally. Wow. Is it private?
Members
only.
Like,
Can't go in.
Volleyball or something like that.
Wally bear. I think Wally likes these houses.
Yeah, look over here.
Oh wow, look at that one. That's gorgeous.
You do have.
Oh, that was huge.
That's giant. That was 1403. That's like a school.
1403.